If you're having trouble accessing your Etsy account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access without needing those codes. Step 1. Visit the Etsy login page. Before starting recovery, use the Etsy.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. If you can't log in, click on the Forgot Your Password link on the login page. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Etsy account. Etsy will send a password reset link to that email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for the email from Etsy in your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Reset your password. Follow the instructions to create a new password for your account. Once you've reset your password, try logging in again with your new credentials. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Etsy support for further assistance. They can help you recover your account through additional verification methods.